Well, well, well. Would you look at that, y'all? We now have Bertha, the second named storm of the 2026 Atlantic hurricane season, y'all. Bertha. We now have Tropical Storm Bertha, now in the Gulf of America, okay? Right here. Look at Bertha. She is mostly moving west towards Louisiana, okay? Chances has decreased in this thing trying to go down like this. Mostly, I am seeing the models take this thing into Louisiana as a weak tropical storm, okay? Mostly bringing a whole lot of rain, a whole lot of wind, coastal flooding, but mostly just with rain. But most of the bad activity will stay on the south side, okay? Because we have a whole lot of dry air, wind shear up here on the north side, up here on the north side, right? But down here on the south, this is where most of our bad activity is going to be. So here is Bertha this morning. God bless all of you. Thank you for watching this weather video. Tropical Storm Bertha, 52 miles per hour. Here is the spaghetti. Here's another satellite image from Bertha. Here's another satellite image from Bertha. This is showing the color, the cloud tops, the temperatures of the clouds. You can see most of the activity is out here, okay? There is nothing, okay, up here, okay? And the center of circulation, you can see, is right here. It's literally right here, right? And there's like no precipitation, no rainfall activity happening up here, okay? Because we have a whole lot of dry air. You can see that spin right there. That well-defined spin. That our center of circulation is in that area there, okay? But yeah, Bertha is expecting to become a kind of like a potentially stronger tropical storm, but it will stay a low end tropical storm and then trying to make its way into western Louisiana, potentially into Texas, but not seeing a big impact, not a big threat. That's the latest on Tropical Storm Bertha. Now here is the radar image we have. Let me put it in loop. You can see all the rainfall is staying out to sea, okay? Most of the rainfall is staying out to sea for right now. That's the latest on Mrs. Tropical Storm Bertha. And of course, a severe weather outbreak is expected in these areas here later on this afternoon into this evening, into probably late this evening. A severe weather outbreak is expected in these areas. And then way in the west, just some possible severe weather is expected, potentially, not likely. And some potential showers and potential thunderstorms in these areas as well. But mostly in these areas here, in the yellow and in the orange, this is where we could have a severe weather outbreak, especially areas in the orange. We could have a severe weather outbreak. That tornado threat, we do have that same tornado threat. They kind of moved it just a little bit. They kind of moved it around just a little bit. Still a few tornadoes possible. And then in the brown area, in the brown area, a few tornadoes possible. Can't rule out a chance for a strong tornado. The damaging wind threat is the greatest threat. We could have widespread, significant damaging winds, very strong, significant damaging winds, potentially in the pink area here. So, if you live in the pink area, you could see widespread, significant damaging winds. This is probably wind gusts higher than 70 miles per hour. So watch out for these strong, damaging winds. And then in the red area, strong damaging winds expected as well. And then down here in North Carolina, these areas here, strong storms are potentially expected as well. And we do got that hail threat. Now, flash flooding is on the table with these storms, okay? Of course, these storms could produce heavy rainfall, could cause flash flooding. Excuse me, y'all. And I'm actually going to go back here in the west because with our monsoon season, of course. Now, Lord willing, tomorrow, severe weather potentially in the same areas. And then on the East Coast, just about almost the same areas here of North Carolina, Virginia, where we have those potential severe thunderstorms expected, and all along the East Coast here. Mostly this is a damaging wind threat. We could have very strong damaging winds potentially. Watch out for these damaging winds. And actually, we actually have a tornado threat potentially for tomorrow for North Carolina, Virginia. Excuse me, y'all. I just sneezed. So, yeah, potentially a tornado threat for tomorrow for these areas here. But this is mostly going to be a damaging wind threat, okay? Yeah. Day 3, just about the same thing for day 3. This is Friday. Possible showers and mostly possible thunderstorms, okay? Not seeing nothing too big, but for the next 3 days, flash flooding will be the greatest threat of concern when it comes to heavy rainfall, okay? When it comes to heavy rainfall tomorrow into Friday, flash flooding looks to be a big threat, right? We have flash flooding on the table for the East Coast. I kind of lost track there because I was checking the calendar. But you can see for the next several days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, this is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Flash flooding looks to be on the table for the East Coast, okay? And for these areas here, where we have Tropical Storm Bertha, not seeing a big flash flood threat because most of our flooding is going to be down here in the south, okay? Well, not flash flooding because this is out to sea, okay? So, yeah, that's it, y'all, for our weather video in the Eastern Pacific. We do got some activity as well, of course. We have our first hurricane in the Eastern Pacific. And that's it, y'all, for this weather video. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Storm chasers, live streamers are likely to be active later on this afternoon into this evening with our severe weather outbreak. But other than that, have a blessed day. See you in my next video.